The Eurocopter AS332, the helicopter that President Emmerson Mnangagwa relied on for years, is now crashed twice, with its most recent accidents occurring in Masvingo on Sunday. Sanapenda mashoko atirikuona kutoti aiwa panapa tototi mutungamiri wenyika asina kana security ndoko kuti helicopter aiwa yaitemba nayo yainyafamba nayo on Sunday nyika yose yakanyasa kuona aiwa ichinyasa kudonha zvayo mudenga. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda nyika panapa ndiko kwa subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tipenda nomwe kwa mchinzi. Disturbingly, this helicopter model, the Eurocopter AS332 Super Puma, holds a grim distinct of having the world's highest probability of death among all helicopters on record, and it ranks as the most dangerous among all passenger aircraft globally, with a staggering 75% probability of a fatal incident. This helicopter's safety record is alarming. In a detailed investigation, as MI reviews in what might easily earn it the name Lupeko Rodambuzo, which means the trouble ban coincidentally. A review of the accident history for the Eurocopter AS332 Super Puma reveals a pattern of deadly crashes over the past few decades. Of the 8 major incidents involving this model, 6 have resulted in fatalities, giving it a fatal incident probability of 75%. The helicopter model it could lie on the government of Zimbabwe and Mtugamiro Zimbabwe. In a probability yekuita fatal accidents are more than 75%. Vanzvaruya vachiti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe maresources airi kuskwanda vachiba mari vachishandisa vachimismanaja maresources dei vaitovhesta kune zvinhu zvakadaro zvatakuona izvi zvakusara vane mainsecurities rauza kuti anytime aiwa chinogona kungovakalira noda kwe the model aiwa yakadhakwa yavari kushandisa. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti udiwa pamusoro pechituko ichi nakume section medu aiwa musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell.